So I added the ground beef and onion, and I'm going to be putting the other things in it in just a bit. I got the same thing going as usual that I do to prevent overcooking. So this stuff's all kind of just cooking by itself. And now I'm going to be adding it in here to where the chicken broth is, an onion, a little bit of water. What's happening too is that I got a lot of vegetable. You'll see the vegetable juice come out. So that goes in there. The tomato paste. These are the heads of the celery. Celery's actually tastes like a spice. It might even be a spice. And these little leaves at the end, kind of a rich flavor like a cilantro. So it's really good to put and not go to waste. Extra flavor is good. Just gonna add a little zucchini to it. I saw somebody put it in their recipe. Who's that guy? Alright, everything's mixing up, cooking up well. About to put the meatballs in. It's gonna be delicious. Who would agree there's too many meatballs here? I don't think there's such a thing, but we're gonna see if these will even all go in there. If not, I can make it with something else. So far, so good. Lots of meatballs. These would be good just by themselves, really. I know some of the recipes I've seen, they don't really even use a lot of soup and juice. They have just meatball and a few vegetables and a little juice. That looks good too. But I'm a soup guy. It's a good chance to throw in as many vegetables and herbs and all that fresh stuff you can that helps fight all these winter colds and flus and things people go to the store for and get shots for and go into pharmaceutical lines and over-the-counter aisles for their cough and cold, when God already made all that stuff for us. It should be out in our gardens. Industry should put more importance on healthy citizens than sick, diseased citizens who might not be capable of much one day if they're all sick, disabled. We'll save that conversation for another time. All right, they all went in. We'll see how it turns out. While cleaning up, put up all the scraps from the stuff I used. It goes into the compost. Sometimes I just throw it on the ground. Nothing goes to waste. Eggplant.